One of the problems I like to give a quick review of is you're in a class and you have an 75 on one of your tests, a 70, and then you really do well a 90. So you think, what would I need to get on my next test to end up with an 80% average? Well, the formula for this would be to take your scores, 75 plus 70 plus 90, and then your unknown score. And how do I average these grades together? Well, you take the number of grades, which would eventually be 4, and divide by 4. And you want this average to be an 80%. So there's your basic equation. Now, how do you solve it? Well, you take an equation with fractions in it, get rid of the fractions. Remember, this is all one term due to this division bar. So you multiply this side by 4 and this side by 4. Now when you add these up, you get 235 plus x equals 320. Keep in mind that these then canceled out. Adding these three scores together, and now how do you solve it? Well, you subtract 235 from both sides, and that gives you 85 on this side. X equals 85. So what you would need on that fourth test here to end up with an 80% average is an 85. And that would be reasonable. So in a quick review, you have 3 scores. What would the fourth score need to be in order to get an 80% average? Well, again, you add all your scores together and divide by the number of scores. Well, you're going to add 4 scores together. You can't add the x, these. Then subtract this from both sides, and there's your answer. Now, you might expect one like this on your test, but here's a quick little summary.